Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting a clean image and picking the right tool. Take a high-resolution photo or scan. You want legible text and minimal glare. Open an OCR-capable translator or OCR app that supports your target language. Once done, set source and target languages, choose output type like plain text or subtitle timing, and enable handwriting mode if needed. This first setup reduces errors later and gets you into the actual extraction immediately. You run OCR and inspect every line. Don't trust automatic detection entirely. Correct misrecognized characters, merge or split lines where segmentation failed, and fix punctuation. Those errors change meaning. Use manual mode for messy fonts or images with noise, and apply language-specific rules like diacritics or ligature corrections. Once corrected, normalize spacing and preserve structural cues such as timestamps or headings. So you translate the clean text using machine translation, then post-edit to fix meaning, register, and idioms. This is where human judgment matters. Reinsert original layout, timestamps, and any inline notes so the translated version mirrors the source. Export in your chosen format and test by reading aloud or doing a quick back translation to spot mistakes. If text seems wrong, check OCR stage first. Often fixing character errors, upstream resolves most mistranslation issues.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.